So this is going to be a short video to show you how to create a video in Adobe Spark. To get there, we just go to spark.adobe.com, or you can do a Google search for Adobe Spark. Once you're there, click on Login, and the district has purchased an account for us, so we click on this Login with a school account. When you do that, you put in your school email, and then of these two choices, you want to choose the one that says school account. And then once it comes up, you will log in with your Google account, your school Google account, which is your email address and your password. I'm already logged in, so it comes right up for me. I have created some things already, so that's why I see this down here. But the first time you log in, you may see a tutorial or something that you can skip. To create something new, you just click on the plus sign up at the top, and it gives you several things to choose from, but I'm going to start from scratch by going to the very bottom and clicking Create a Video. Now I give it a video title, and then I click Next. I can choose a template to start with, or in this case, I'm just going to start from scratch. Once it has loaded, you'll see down here that you have three slides to begin with. This can be your title slide. I'm going to make sure that the layout is full screen. The plus here, you can click on this plus and you can choose text or icon. I'm going to choose text, and I'm going to say this is my video about me. And I can put as much or as little information there. I can make the text bigger. I can make it smaller. If I wanted to add something else, I could click this plus sign up here and add something back in the background. Maybe I want to put a photo. I can search for free photos, or here's the other thing. If I want to insert pictures that I've already saved to my Google Drive, then I can say connect to Google Drive, and it will come up and ask me who I am. I choose my Google account, and then I have to allow for it to connect to my Google Drive. Now you should already in your Google Drive have created a new folder with video pictures or whatever you want to call it, and any pictures or videos or anything that you have saved, you drop in there that you want to save there. Okay, so I have 4 pictures saved in here, so I go back over to my Adobe and I'm going to say I want to insert a picture, and I go to my Google Drive and I have to search for that picture that says video pictures. Here they are. I'm going to add this one, and that's going to go in the background here. So here's the picture behind. I can record some narration right here if I have a microphone. I can make this stay on the videos or on this particular picture longer by just clicking here and increasing that to maybe 7 seconds. And then when I'm finished with this title slide, I can insert another slide by clicking down here. Now this slide automatically comes up to full screen, but maybe I want this one to be a split screen. So I click on this and I can put text on one side. Let's say I'm going to put the text in the blue, and I might want to just put where I was born. And then over here, maybe I want to include a photo or a video. I'm going to just include a photo, and in this case I'm going to look for a photo and include that picture. Again, I can include some narration, and then I can move on. On the credits slide, which is the last slide already inserted, you can add your own credits. You can say where you got the photos, where you got the videos, anything else like that. And also, you notice that up here you have other things that you can do. The theme for this one is title, but I can also go down here and say I want noir and see what that looks like on each of the slides. And I could choose mega. I could even choose a different color for mega and see how that looks for each of my different slides. I can resize and make it either a square video or a widescreen video. And then once you've got it set, you can choose your music. And there's all different kinds you can go down through here. You can play the little play button and it will give you a preview of what that sounds like. And once you find, and they have lots to choose from, once you find a song that you like, then you click on it and you say, once it has a check mark, it has been added, and then you can go over here and you can play your video. From the beginning, it will show you the video, it will show you the transitions, and it will play the music for you. So once you're finished with that, let's say that you have it all set up the way you're ready to go. You can download the video. Now I paused it, but that took a while to download, and it came up down here in my bottom as a download. You can also get to it by clicking on your three buttons and going to download. So that's an MP4 file that you can save in your Google Drive and then share or upload for your teacher. You could also share it by clicking on the share button, and when you go down here you create a link. Creating the link also takes about a minute, but once you've done, you've got this link here that you can copy and you can send it to your teacher via email. You can upload it to Google Classroom. You could, if you're doing other things, share it in other ways, but once you've got that, that's how your video's finished. You can send it on to someone. That's just a very quick intro to creating a video in Adobe Spark. If you have any questions, please let me know.